If print on demand is your game, have you thought about the top selling shirts based on color? If not, in this short video, I'll tell you the most popular colors, so when it comes to selling your next shirt, you may have a winning edge. Hey guys, welcome to the Side Hustle Pursuit channel, where we talk about different ways to replace your 9 to 5. It could be affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or in this case, print on demand. Now onto the video. This may not even be a topic you've entertained in the past, but the next time you do a search online for a shirt, pay close attention to the colors. Take a good look on that first page of your search. What is the common denominator? So, if it was a dog-related shirt, for instance, what do you see? Let's go ahead now and break down the 5 top colors you want to pay close attention to. And basically, the 5 you will mainly see: white, black, navy, gray, and red. And not too far behind red is royal blue, but your focus should mainly be on black and white. Those are the main colors that surpass the rest, but no doubt you should start picking those for your next shirt. Think about it. Black shirts make the most money, and for good reason. Most things go good with black. Don't overthink it. Let the buyer do all the heavy lifting. Well, that's it for this short video. Have you noticed which color you sell the most in? Leave us a comment below, and as always, check out our other print on demand videos, and we'll see you soon.